Hi everyone, it's Vaughn again. I learned how to make the police cars make a funny sound. You have to get out of your police car, leave the lights flashing, and shoot out one of the lights, or however many. You might want the police spawn level down too. If it works right. Sometimes you just gotta drive for a little while, and then might have to even shoot out all of them. We can try. Let's go ahead and put this stuff on. It was working like earlier. Go out, you freaking piece of crap. Come on, dude, I'm shooting that. It's gay. Alright, might do it. Darn it. Okay, but usually it will combine a whole bunch of sirens together. It's crazy, dogs barking, stuff like that. End it.